It is possible to earn $250 in a single day. This is how it works. You download free photographs or files from App 1, then re-upload them to App 2 to make money. There's no need for videos, websites, affiliate marketing, sales, referrals, or social media. All you need is a simple strategy that anyone can execute in around 10 minutes every day. After all, why not earn up to $250 in a single day while sitting at home or using a smartphone or computer? Isn't that incredible? And sure, both of these applications are available in all countries and accept a variety of payment methods. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how you can earn money by re-uploading photos and files. Let's now get going. Let me demonstrate how much money you can make with this free software. As you can see here, $3, $2, $6, $5, and even $11 over and over again. As you can see, the quantities in this situation are $20, $5, $10, and $30. Despite the fact that this is only the first app, people from all over the world are openly and aggressively capturing money every day. Let me briefly describe this software's function. You can download this software from upload.io. You can get paid to submit 3,000 images on these platforms. Now that anything is available for free download on this website, you can make money by submitting it there. You can earn up to $6 for each download of content you post to our website, even if you're sleeping, driving, or doing something else that doesn't require much of your time. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to get 3,000 images to download and how to automatically submit them from a phone or computer. Let me first demonstrate how to sign up for this website for free. To begin, click the Sign Up button, then proceed to the user registration page to enter your username, email address, password, and payment information. They pay you via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash as shown below. Once you've finished entering all your information, check the I'm not a robot box and then click the green Register button. You may do this on your computer, mobile phone, or any other device, as long as you have an internet connection. And when you go to upload files, you'll start uploading stuff on this website, and you'll make money every time people download your file. I'll now show you how to use this site to make money and where you can find free content to upload. I'll now show you how to utilize the second piece of software you require, Pixabay, which has a logo similar to this one. Make sure to download the required program. It's free and comes with a lot of great images that don't need to be paid for. The phrase, all photographs and films on Pixabay are distributed under Creative Commons, implies that commercial use is permitted. You can use it however you like, or upload it to the first software I previously demonstrated for business use. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Allow me to demonstrate how to do this with a specific example, showing you how to download, re-upload, and begin earning money with no attribution needed from there. I've already uploaded one picture here, as you can see. I'll now go through the steps with you. Let's begin by going to Pixabay.com. Here you might discover beautiful free images and royalty-free stock. They offer over 1.7 million high-resolution images and movies for free download. For example, if I put nature into the search bar and click search, I will be presented with a list of free images that I can download. If I click any of them, I will demonstrate how to use them with flowers. When I click on the image, I can select free download, and I have the ability to influence the outcome. Since this is the case, my first and most important piece of advice is to download a good image. You must download at a resolution of at least 1280 by 720. Ensure that the photographs are of great quality and resolution so that others will want to download them and benefit from them. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, I'm going to choose these, which is a really small file, and you can download as much as you like. Now that I've selected this one, I'm going to click on download as you can see here. Download has been launched on my computer. And you can do this on your computer or your phone. It doesn't matter. I can now begin adding the photographs to this website. But first, I'd like to give you another example before I demonstrate how to upload. For instance, you might perform the same action for this additional image by picking it right here, hitting the download button, and then clicking the free download button. Resuming the download will happen right now. This program is totally free. I don't have to pay anything to start getting these pictures from Pixabay. I'll go back to the original website now and show you how to upload them. You will now see a file upload option where you click Upload File. Either this link or the image here can be clicked. I can update this page with 3 more pictures as you can see. To show you what happens when I click on the second picture of the mountain, I'll open it up. This picture is available right here. Additional files may be added. I want to add another image, for instance. You might now see 2 images. Once you've completed uploading everything, click this blue button to start uploading and they'll get started. Everything is accessible here. Considering that these photos are only 85 and 82 kilobytes, it's actually pretty quick. This small file is quite charming. It is possible to repeat this process tens of thousands of times per day. You'll be able to make more money by uploading more photographs. They'll provide you 2 links right here after you've completed uploading the file. And each time someone uses one of those links to download the file, you'll get paid. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.